Hello students, today for our science subject we are going to learn about plants. What are plants? Most plants grow with their roots in the ground. Tumbuhan tumbuh dengan akarnya di dalam tanah. They have leaves. Mereka memiliki daun. Some plants have flowers and fruit. Beberapa tumbuhan memiliki bunga dan buah. Okay then, before that, we are going to learn about parts of plant first. Sekarang kita akan berbicara terlebih dahulu tentang bagian-bagian dari tumbuhan. Okay, now look at this sunflower plant. Sekarang perhatikan bunga matahari ini. The parts of the body consist of roots, stem, leaves, and flowers. Bagian-bagian tubuhnya adalah roots atau akar, stem atau batang, leaves atau daun, flowers atau bunga. Now we continue with the parts of the tomato plant. The parts of the tomato plant consist of root, stem, leaves, and fruit. Roots, akar, stem, batang, leaves, daun, dan fruit, buah. Now, we are going to learn what is the same about these two pictures. Apa kira-kira persamaan dari kedua gambar ini? Ayo, coba diperhatikan. Both of them have roots. Keduanya memiliki roots, memiliki akar. They also have stem. Mereka juga memiliki batang. They also have leaves. Mereka juga memiliki daun. I think that's the same from that two plants. Saya rasa itu persamaan dari kedua tumbuhan ini. Now look at question number 2. What is different about them? Apa perbedaan di antara mereka berdua? Ayo diperhatikan, apa perbedaan kedua tumbuhan ini? Now look at the leaves. Perhatikan daunnya. They have different shape, they have different size. Daunnya itu memiliki bentuk dan ukuran yang berbeda. Dan sunflower plant have flower. Tomato plant doesn't have flower. Sunflower plant memiliki yang namanya bunga, sedangkan tomato tidak ada bunganya. But tomato plant have fruit. Sunflower plant doesn't have fruit. Tomato plant dia punya buah, sedangkan sunflower plant dia tidak memiliki buah. That's the difference between them. Okay students, I think that's all about plants for today. We'll continue for the next section. Students, now we continue with different places have different plants. Setiap tumbuhan di tempat yang berbeda pasti memiliki jenis tumbuhan yang berbeda. Plants grow when there is light and water. Tumbuhan itu tumbuh di saat ada sinar matahari dan air. Now, look at these two pictures. The first pictures and the second pictures. The first picture grow in dry places. Gambar pertama ini tumbuh di tempat yang kering. There is just a little water. Hanya ada sedikit air di sana. Then this plant in this picture grow in wet places. Dan tumbuhan ini tumbuh di tempat yang basah, yang banyak airnya. Now look at the third and the fourth picture. This is the third and this is the fourth. The third picture grow in hot places. Tumbuhan ini tumbuh di tempat yang panas. Dia suhu tempatnya itu panas. Now, the plants in these pictures grow in cold places. Tumbuhan yang tumbuh di dalam gambar ini tumbuh di tempat yang dingin, di mana suhunya dingin. Let us continue again. Now look at the fifth and the sixth picture. This is the fifth and this is the sixth. In these pictures, the plants grow on mountains. Tumbuhan yang ada pada gambar ini tumbuh di daerah pegunungan. And the plants in this picture grow under the water. Dan tanaman yang tumbuh di sini tumbuh di dalam air. So, we know if the place is different, then the plants must be different. Jadi kita bisa tahu bahwa apabila tempatnya berbeda, maka tumbuhan yang ada di situ juga berbeda. Jadi setiap tempat memiliki jenis tumbuhan yang berbeda. Okay, students, I think that's all our lesson for today about plants. Then see you in the next lesson. Bye.